In this module, we will use our LSTM autoencoder based anomaly detector and turn it into a real-time anomaly detection system. So if we want to get an anomaly detection system from a playground into production, we have to hook it up to a data source. Either we can directly access data from the data source for training, or we need to run some ETL process in between. One special case, which is the most interesting one in my opinion, is working on a real-time data stream, because a lot of data loses its value within the first seconds. So think of a stock market ticker, or cryptocurrency market ticker, or healthcare data, or IoT sensor data. Real-time data integration is mostly done with some sort of message queue or streaming engine. At the lowest level, even a TCP connection can be seen as a message queue. Although, if you can't consume your messages fast enough, you will lose data due to timeouts. Even a UDP connection can be seen as some sort of a message queue. But your messages can get lost and order is not preserved. Often also HTTP with REST or WebSockets are used as message queues. MQTT is often used for IoT and telemetry use cases because it's very lightweight. MQTT defines a message broker, so it decouples sender and receiver. We will use MQTT in our example. Kafka is also an example of a message broker, which is widely used for all sorts of data. At the other end of the spectrum reside streaming engines like IBM Streams, Apache Spark, or Apache Flink, which do not only allow data movement but also data transformation in between. So in our case, we use a MQTT message broker, which is provided by the IBM Watson IoT platform. Real-time accelerometer data is sometimes hard to get for demonstration purposes. Therefore, we'll use a simulator implemented on top of Node-RED. We'll feed it through the queue and consume it directly from the deep learning framework. Working on Jupyter Notebook is fine for development, but for a production scenario, we have to deploy a model. A convenient way for this is using the IBM Watson Machine Learning Service, which supports various ML and DL frameworks like SparkML, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and so on. The cool thing is that everything comes as a service, so you are not wasting your time with operations. So let's see how this is done in real life, so stay tuned.